Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tor Hill News. And we have out of Nash County, yes, it's Nash County Fire. On traffic out of Nash County, motorcycle and Subaru collide near North Halifax Road, 10/19/2025 at 2:51 p.m. Nash County Fire, North Halifax Road, and Red Oak, Brattleboro Road, North Carolina 27809. A motor vehicle accident occurred near North Halifax Road and Brattleboro Road involving a black Subaru SUV and a black motorcycle. The motorcycle driver was thrown about 30 feet and is conscious but injured. The Subaru driver did not realize that the collision occurred, and 911 was definitely dispatched.
District Chief 2, Station 12 Fire, Station 12 Rescue. Motor vehicle accident, vehicle versus motorcycle. Intersection North Halifax Road and Reddick Brattleboro Road. North Halifax Road, Brattleboro Road. Receiving multiple calls on scene. Emergency response 1753, TAC 2. International Center. All units en route, motor vehicle accident North Halifax Road, Reddick Brattleboro Road. This is a black Subaru SUV versus a black motorcycle. Caller was advising the motorcycle driver was thrown approximately 30 feet, unable to get up off the side of the road. However, he is conscious at this time. The driver of the Subaru was unaware she had hit anything. Still standing by. No other information. No one's being trapped in the Subaru.